Jesus Christ.
Hey y'all. Oh my god. I've been sick for almost 1.5, 2 weeks now, and I'm just hoping by the end of this video I won't sound as crazy as right now. This video, we're gonna get ready for Valentine's Day. Is it Valentine's? I think it's Valentine's. It's Valentine's. Anyway, at least for today, I'm getting a braid down because for the next few months, I'm gonna be wearing wigs. As y'all know, I had cut my hair off, so I'm starting almost like a big chop, but it's not really a big chop. Actually, it is actually a big chop because my hair is actually touching my back. Yeah, it's basically a big chop, but and then I am going to also get a wax. My wax appointment is actually first, so yeah, that's just that. It's gonna be my wax appointment, and then it's gonna be my hair appointment, and then my lash appointment is like 2 days before Valentine's Day. It's currently the first day of the month. It's February 1st. So I have enough time between my wax and my braid down. So by the time y'all see me put in the wig, my braids might look a little bit old and rusty because I'm putting in the wig before Valentine's Day. Best believe. I'm gonna have one wig that's gonna last me until then, and then we'll figure it out. But I'm not getting my nails done because my birthday is actually in a month from now, and my nails are kind of crazy. I'll catch y'all once I'm at my wax appointment. So like the video, because I already know it's about to be fire as it is. Like, just like it. And don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Subscribe to these videos. Like, I'm really pushing out content like all year long. Like, y'all don't understand. I be doing so much shit in my life, and like, I don't be wanting to post on Instagram anymore because like, it's not like long. I want to try to see my life for real, but yeah, I'll catch y'all once I'm at my wax appointment. Bye. Y'all, I had to pee so bad. I look a little bit bright. Like, literally rushed, and now I'm like downstairs. It's like a workspace, so like there's a locked door downstairs, and there's usually on the weekends there's no front desk. So usually they will leave that door locked, and if you come on a weekend and anybody downstairs, you're gonna be out there for a while, unless your provider comes to get you. But I'm actually about to go to Auntie Anne's to get some pretzels because that's my other snack before tonight. Because I'm not really gonna eat nothing else until 8 o'clock tonight when I go to Peaches. So I'm just snacking right now, and these are the only snacks around where it's like convenient that I actually want to eat. So yeah, I'll catch you at Auntie Anne's.
A few moments later.
So we are at my hair appointment. We about to go wash it now. So back. You can see I got my mix in, and when I say this is so comfortable, like look how neat these braids are. Like, these braids are going to last me a whole entire month. Best believe it. So yeah, I'm currently getting ready to leave now. I'm going to Peaches to get dinner. Like I told y'all earlier, I was fasting, so all I had so far was pretzels, some chips, and the popcorn I have for my wax appointment. So I'm ready for real food. So I'll catch y'all once I'm at the restaurant. Bye.
One eternity later.
So I'm finally, don't mind my appearance. Please don't. I just left work. I'm tired. I'm stressed out. I'm over it, okay? I'm done. This is the last thing for the day, and I might get some food afterwards, but currently I am waiting on my lash tech to get me from this area. I'm trying on a new lash tech. I'm so sorry, Sade. I know I'm cheating on you, but they have like this rock climbing wall here. They have like a rock climbing wall. This is my first time here. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just here for the vibes. Hopefully she comes and get me, because if she don't and the 15 minutes pass, I'm gonna be really pissed off because, girl, I was here. I just don't know the protocol here. I don't want to walk into places and yada yada yada. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all once I'm after doing my lashes and once I get home, basically. So cue the montage.
Day.
So I'm back. It's currently the next day. It's around like 4 o'clock-ish actually. I just got off of work and I had to go to a beauty supply store to pick up some more stuff. I got some more glue, a melt band, and a edge brush because my edge brush is at school. Anyways, I'm here and the lashes are done. Right now, I'm actually about to put on a wig. I know, don't judge me. The braids are crazy, but I've worn this wig before. It's actually a fan fave. A lot of people that follow me on Instagram or don't follow me anymore, no shade, they actually really love this wig. I remember I had wore it for a little Yachty concert. I'll probably insert some clips like right here, because I had a few clips of it, a few videos and pictures, so I'm not sure what I'm working with, because that's basically what we're gonna be doing. It's gonna be the same exact hairstyle, just bangs, side part, and straight with a little curl at the end. And yeah, I'll probably style the wig when I go to work tomorrow, because me curling my hair tonight and then hoping that it works out my favor tomorrow is not a risk that I'm willing to take. After work, I like to decompress, and my favorite thing to do after work is watch YouTube videos, eat a little food, and just do that. So don't mind my ashy lips, because I had on red lipsticks earlier today. I just took it off. It's gonna be dry. I don't care. We're getting cute for Valentine's Day. So tomorrow when y'all see me for the final look, you'll get it. But for right now, we're just going to cue the montage. Damn, y'all. I don't have no like shears or nothing to cut the fucking wig cap. I'm gonna skip this wig cap part. Yeah, I'm gonna have to catch me later, because I don't got no scissors and I'm about to go look for nothing on camera and all that shit. So I'm gonna catch y'all once I'm actually doing the once I'm actually installing the actual wig. Be right back. Like, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I don't even want to do this install no more. Like, I actually doing something like this after work is not the best idea in my opinion. Really? Well, I feel like it's good enough. Oh my god. I hope it's my wig. This my wig. Don't mind its appearance. She might look raggedy, but she ain't raggedy. Trust me. This wig right here, I'm telling you. It's a 13x6 full lace 613 wig. I shampooed it with like some shimmer light shampoo to take off that brassiness. I don't like 613 like straight out the pack yellow. That's the color of my eyebrows and I don't fuck with it. Actually, my eyebrows are growing back, so we're actually going to be bleaching it to match the install today. Yep, I'm going all out. It's Valentine's Day and I want to look good for myself. Period!
Jesus Christ.
But trust the process. I feel like this foundation says a lot, in my opinion. So yeah, just trust the process. When I tell y'all, I couldn't see nothing just now. It's dark in here. I can't see nothing. So I actually needed that, because now I see that I have so much extra glue in the wrong fucking places. But it's okay though. We about to fix this. But like I said, I don't really care how long this lasts. As long as it lasts through this weekend, I'm perfectly fine. So we are back, and the band is on everything. While this lace is melting, I'm actually, oh, my lashes came out. Okay, that's fun. I'm actually going to separate the hair into parts. Because normally when I straighten this wig, I do separate it in parts because it's easier. It's not really dense, so it's not a lot to go through. And I don't say I'm a pro, but I know how to straighten my hair and get the job done without any assistance. So, I'm just trying to separate these for a moment, and then get the rest going. I'm gonna use this Garnier Fructis. Oh. Time to bleach my eyebrows, y'all. But I'm just using water to clean off the eyelash primer that I have. I use eyelash primer to hold my lashes in place. My style is here, y'all. This is just, the timing of everything is just so on brand. Just fucking chaotic. So it's like a paste like texture. It's like, it's really thick. These are the brows, and I'm only gonna keep them on for probably like almost like 5 minutes at most, because they're already blonde and it just has to be the roots to get done. So I'll see y'all once I'm straightening my hair. Y'all, I'm so over this. It is currently 8:13. I've honestly been in Solan's wig for damn near 4 hours, maybe 3. And I'm so over it. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I want to be done. I want to get in my bed and go to sleep. I'm tired. I most definitely wake up early in the morning, and that's not the most exciting thing to say. Alright y'all, so I'm finally back and my hair is done. I put them in these curlers. I mainly use the big pink ones and the orange ones to finish it, but now I'm about to tie my head up so I can go to sleep because it's damn near 9:30 and I'm ready to go sleep. And put this around the scarf so that it lays down the wig and holds down the curls because this process was extremely long for no freaking reason.
The next morning.
So it's actually the next day and I'm getting ready to go to work. I'm actually about to leave my house now. Don't mind me, I'm trying to fix this exposure because it looks crazy. Don't mind the closet and clothes behind. I don't really give a fuck. I just got dressed for work, but this is the hair. When I go to work, I'm gonna cut the bangs because they're actually really long and they're bothering my lashes. So that's gonna get fixed at work. The curls didn't do what I wanted it to do, so that was unfortunate, but I just went back to the regular hairstyle I had before. It's like straight and then the ends are curled, and that's about it. I'm actually gonna put on my pearls too, and also because the wig is laid on stupidly, also I put some clips in the back of my head so that the wig could be a little bit more secured and not loose on my head because this wig, trust and believe me, it's bigger than I thought on my head. Maybe my braiding foundation is a little bit too flat for it, but yeah, that's where we at. But putting on my pearls. For my shoes, I'm probably gonna put on my Uggs because that's the only thing that I have that has cream in it, and I'm not trying to wear any of my sneakers, to be honest. So yeah, the next time y'all see me is probably be at the nail salon to get my toes done later on.
So that was a fucking lie.
And then that'll be the end of the video. But if I don't close out this vlog any later, just want to say thank you guys for watching the video so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all for Valentine's Day. Bye.